In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off all of the Gemini or AI features within Gmail and also within all of your Google Workspace. So first things first, here on desktop, I'll show you how to do it here first, and then mobile. Here on desktop, open up Gmail as I've done here. Click on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner and then go to See All Settings. Under See All Settings, you want to scroll down to where you see something that says Google Workspace Smart Features, and then there'll be a button here that says Manage Workspace Smart Features Settings. Click on that button there. This is where all of that lives. If you go ahead and disable both of these smart features in Workspace and smart features in other Google products, that would be things such as Calendar, Google Docs, things of that nature, that will disable it there as well. So you'll no longer be able to ask Gemini and do things of that nature. But if you want it to go back to the way it used to be without all of that AI stuff, you just go ahead and deselect these two options here. Click Save, and you're good to go. Another thing you can do here within these settings, if we go back, is you can scroll up and you can see right here where it says Smart Features. You can just disable this in Gmail right here by unchecking that box. Also, if you don't like the Smart Reply option, you can just go here where the Smart Reply setting is and just turn Smart Reply off. Same goes for Smart Compose, and you can just disable that here as well. All right, now let's say you are using the Gmail mobile app. This will look slightly different on Android as it does on my iPhone. So go and open up Gmail and then go to the side panel here and go down to the bottom and tap into Settings, which is the gear icon here. And then what you want to do is go ahead and scroll all the way down and go to Data Privacy. Tap into Data Privacy. And this is where you'll see an option where it says Smart Features, Google Workspace Smart Features. Go ahead and uncheck the one that says Smart Features. That will be specifically for Gmail. And then if you want to do it for your whole Google Workspace, go ahead and tap the Google Workspace Smart Features. Disable both of these here and then go and tap Done. And that's how you do it over on mobile. If you have any questions, put those down below. I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.